Hello everyone. This is class 45 on subject income tax 2. In today's class, we are going to solve two questions that were appeared in RCU examination in the year 2016. One question is based on section 80G and another one on section 80C. I am just going to read out these questions and give you certain hints. You have to try solving these sums at home. So the first question is, Mr. Geet made the following donations in the previous year 2019-20 and his adjusted gross total income was rupees 4 lakh. He contributed to National Illness Assistance Fund rupees 24,000. Fund set up by the government for medical relief to poor rupees 40,000. To Zilla Saksharta Samiti rupees 32,000. Chief Minister's Relief Fund rupees 16,000. To Municipal Corporation approved for family planning rupees 48,000. And the Fund for Technology Development rupees 12,000. And the last donation is a aid to poor student rupees 10,000. With this information, you are asked to compute the amount of deduction under section 80G for the assessment year 2021. Now here you are already given the adjusted gross total income rupees 4 lakh. So 10% of adjusted gross total income comes to rupees 40,000. Then while solving the sum, first you have to find out no limit 100% donations. So this one, National Illness Assistance Fund, Government for Medical Relief to Poor, Zilla Saksharta Samiti, Chief Minister's Relief Fund, Fund for Technology Development, these are no limit 100% deduction. You just have to total these figures 24, 40, 32, 16 and 12,000 and take it directly to the outer column because these are no limit 100% deductions. Next is coming to with limit donations. We are given only one information, that is Municipal Corporation approved for family planning 48,000. So when you are taking for with limit deductions, it is 48,000. When you are computing it for with limit deduction, you come across one important working note, that is when we are computing deductions for with limit donations, either we take with limit donation, that is 48,000, or 10% of adjusted GTI, which is 40,000, whichever is less. So with limit donation comes to only 40,000 because 10% of adjusted GTI or total with limit donation, whichever is less, is qualified for deduction under section 80G. This is one question. I would like to tell you the answer also for this question, that is you get 1,64,000 as total deduction under section 80G. Coming to next, this is the question which was I think appeared under section B and the previous question under section 80C, section C. And the question is, Ram and Rahim have contributed their amounts in section 80C. You are asked to compute deduction under section 80C. And the information is subscription to NSC 8th issue 20,000 and 10,000. This is allowable deduction. Accrued items on NSC 4,000, 2,000 allowable deduction. 5 years term deposit in nationalized bank, that is the interest received on the same 5,000 and 3,000 is allowable deduction. Life insurance premium on wife's life is allowable deduction, wherein life insurance premium on father's life is disallowable. So this amount of rupees 7,000 is disallowable under section 80C because the life insurance premium is paid on father's life. Subscription to home loan account, that is 50,000 and 20,000 allowable deduction. Investment in approved shares and debentures is allowable. Amount paid to unit linked insurance plan is allowable deduction. Payment towards deferred annuity plan of LIC is allowable deduction. And last is subscription to units of specified mutual fund is allowable deduction. When you are solving problem under this, only life insurance premium on father's life is disallowable. Rest all contributions that are made are allowable. Then you have to total the column of Ram, find it out, just compare the total amount spent with the maximum limit 1,50,000, whichever is less is deductible under section 80C. In case of Rahim also, total all, find out the qualifying amount, compare it with the, that is maximum limit 1,50,000. So whichever is less is qualified for deduction of Mr. Rahim. So these are the two question paper problems which were appeared in year 2016 under RCU. You have to try solving these sums, note down, solve it, and this is the last class on third unit, that is donations. From next class onwards we are going to start with the next concept or next unit.